In a previous video, we showed you how to make simple text edits to your website. In this video, we'll take it a step further by showing you how to manage digital media such as photos and PDFs, and we'll show you how to add them to your website. First, we'll take a look at managing media. We'll start from the main BannerOS dashboard and scroll down to the Media section. Here we can see options to manage media, add new media, search media, and manage categories. Now before we upload a photo, let's take a look at managing categories. The media categories provide a method for organizing your media into topics or main subjects. This is useful when searching for that perfect photo to add to a web page or newsletter and helps you keep all of your media organized. BannerOS comes pre-installed with a category titled Uncategorized. If you won't be uploading much media, this one category may be enough. But in our case, we want to make a new category to contain general stock images that could be used anywhere on the site. So I'll click on Add New Category. This brings up a very simple form with name and summary. So I'll enter a name for our category and a summary. I'll verify and submit. So now that we've added our new category, let's upload a photo. I'll go up to the top navigation, and under Media, I'll choose Add New Media. This brings up the form that we can use to upload a photo. First I'll choose a category, in this case stock photos, and I'll enter a name and optional description for our image. Next, I'll choose the file for my computer. Once all that is set, we'll click Add New Media. Our media has been added successfully. You'll notice that the success page displays the URL of the media. This could be handy for more advanced users. If you'd like to preview your image, you can use the Search Media feature to find that piece of media. So in this blue options bar, I'm going to click on Search Media. This brings up a small search form that we can use to locate our media. In this case, I'm just going to choose stock photos from the category and choose Search Media. It only lists one photo right now because we only have one photo in our stock photos category. But here it is, this is the mountain road image that we just uploaded. We have options to preview the image, view the image's URL, edit the image's name or description, or delete the image. So our image is ready to be added to our website. First I'll click the main BannerOS icon and we'll go back to the dashboard. I'll scroll down and click on Manage Pages. In this case, I want to add the photo to my About page, so I'll click on the About link to manage this page. This brings us to the front end of the website, and since we're logged into BannerOS, we can see the toolbar as well as the BannerOS edit icon down in the content area. So I'll click on this edit icon so that I can edit this content. This brings up the WYSIWYG editor. So to add a photo to this page, first we'll scroll down and we'll find the place that we want to add this photo. I'm thinking that I want it to be at the bottom of the page towards this paragraph. So I'm going to click inside the WYSIWYG window where I want the image to appear. Down in the Insert Dynamic Content drop-down, we'll click and choose Media. This brings up a search form that we can use to find the photo or other piece of media that we want to add to the page. So I'll type in the keywords to find that image. And we'll click Submit. So as you can see, the search results brings up the mountain road photo that we just added. And if you want, you can preview it in a new window, just to make sure that it's the image you're looking for. So this is the image we want to use, so we'll click the Use button. So if we scroll down, you can see that the image has now been added to the page. But you'll also notice that it doesn't look very good. The text has been pushed down, and the photo is just kind of floating up here by itself. So we're going to make some adjustments to make this look a little better. To do that, we click the image and click on the image icon. This brings up the Insert Edit Image box. Now the Appearance tab has some options that we can use to adjust the way our image appears on the page. The first thing we want to do is change the alignment. I'd like the photo to float to the right side of the text. So from the alignment drop-down, we'll choose right. You can see that the window here gives you a small preview of what you're doing to the image. The next thing I want to do is change the image dimensions. I think that the photo is slightly too big for this page, so I want to make it a little smaller. Now you'll notice that since the Constrain Proportions checkbox is checked, I only have to change one of these numbers, and the other number will update automatically to keep the image at the proper proportions. Next, we're going to add a little bit of horizontal space. This will give a little bit of padding between the image and the text so that the text doesn't butt up right next to the image. And finally, I'll specify a border. I just want a small border, so I'll just enter 1. And we'll click Update. So as you can see, the image is now smaller, it's floating to the right side of the paragraph, and it has a 1-pixel black border. So I'm thinking that looks okay, so let's go ahead and save changes. And we'll view the page. So here's our updated page. You can see the photo that we've added. It looks pretty good. It's aligned to the right side of the paragraph. There's a little bit of space between the text and the image. So I think this looks pretty good. So that's the basics behind managing media, uploading photos, and adding them to your website. We'll see you next time, and thanks for watching this BannerOS help video.